Okay, at the end of this video, collect a winning AI 7 spot that will win you a jackpot. Smash that subscribe button for more AI Keno strategies and more free AI Keno numbers. But first, let's see our #1 AI 7 spot already in progress. Yes, we're at max bet and the coin is 5. Cool. 3 out of 7. Normal start for us. Cool. 4 out of 7. Much better. 6th place to go. AI Keno numbers are 10, 20, 55, 56, and 64. 54 and 66 are my lucky Keno numbers. Okay, 3 out of 7. We'll take it. Cool. Another 3 out of 7. Wow. Yet another 3 out of 7. Bonus round was 140 credits. Cool. And what got us into the bonus was a 3 out of 7. This AI Keno 7 spot is a winner at 150 credits. Okay, let's go on to the next AI 7 spot and see if we can do better. Okay, Google Bard AI says the upper left of your Keno card has the most drawn Keno numbers, and this is based on analyzing thousands of Keno games. Subscribe for more AI Keno tips and strategies. So now, let us share our next AI Keno 7 spot already in progress. Yes, the bet is at max. The coin is 5. My lucky Keno numbers are 12 and 22. Also, AI Keno numbers are 11, 13, 14, 21, and 23. Cool. A 4 out of 7. Good way to start. 3 out of 7. Yes. Another 3 out of 7. Yeah. Another 4 out of 7. And of course, last play coming up. Not bad. 160 for the bonus. And of course, 3 out of 7 got us here. We need to do better. Okay, let's move on to our last AI 7 spot and get us a winner. Okay, smash that subscribe button for more AI Keno strategies and more free AI Keno numbers. Come on, let's quickly get into our final bonus round, already in progress. Okay, bet at max, the coin is 5. 3 out of 7, typical start for us. Okay, another 3 out of 7. 6th place to go. My lucky Keno numbers are 12, 22, 54, and 66. AI Keno numbers are 55, 56, and 64. Cool. A 4 out of 7. Bonus round, 100 credits. Yes. Look what got us into the bonus. A 6 out of 7. A total of 1,210 credits. I told you, these AI Keno 7 spots are winners. Okay, put these AI Keno numbers to the test. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up to tell us how you did at the casino by leaving a comment below. Also, good luck and just have fun. Okay, beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.